Hey everyone, Joe here, and I wanted to make a quick video and talk about something that I was thinking about a little bit during this supplier run that we're doing. I was reflecting about when I had a corporate job, and I was thinking about like how I got paid right away. So when I got into my corporate job, and of course I'm going to compare this to having an online business, specifically a high-ticket dropshipping store, so bear with me. But anyway, when I had my corporate job, I went in my first day, and basically I didn't really do anything of substance for like 6 months because it was just like, they're training me, this person is not available, he's at a meeting, I'm doing like one meeting a day, we're gonna put you on this project later, like this project's canceled. So I basically like wasn't doing anything, but I was still getting paid, which was cool. And I think that's the norm for most people. It's like when you start a job, you're incredibly, usually unproductive, but you get paid. And then you become more productive, and usually then you get continue to get paid the same amount. And I think that's why most people get discouraged when they're starting to do a high-ticket dropshipping business or any other online or in-person business, is because you don't get paid right away. You really have to come in with the mindset of like, I'm gonna get paid in the future. And for some people, our course is about how you can make your first profitable sale in 2 weeks. That, for some people, if you're in the mindset of getting paid right away, which is what we're conditioned to get, that 2 weeks could even be too long. I know, like for me, what I'm doing, any activity I do at this point is not really involved in the day-to-day of making money that day. Every activity I do is involved with getting more money in the future. So this recent supplier run that I'm working on, that I mentioned yesterday, I'm just on the phone, I'm calling people, and it's not going to make a difference in the business today. It's not going to make a difference in the business tomorrow. It may make a difference in the business in 2 weeks, probably make a much bigger difference in a month. 2 or 3 months down the line, we have a bunch of new listings, a bunch of new campaigns optimized. We're doing SEO on those listings. It's going to make a big difference then. But when you're in the minutia of it, it's still, you can still get that feeling. Even I get it, that, oh man, like, there's no reward. You don't get that mental reward of doing something like you would get with your paycheck. So it's hard to stay, it can be hard to stay motivated. I think I've pretty much conditioned myself at this point to do this stuff regardless of whether I'm motivated or not. But, I just wanted to put this out there for something for you guys to think about, and to notice when you're trying to get through the minutia of the activities that it takes to get an online business off the ground, whether you're doing high-ticket dropshipping or something else. And you start just noticing yourself feeling like, oh, I don't really feel like doing this. Oh, let me check Facebook. Oh, let me check whatever people check nowadays. I'm not really big into social media, but, well, for me, it'd be like, oh, let me play a game of Super Smash Brothers online. That's kind of what I'll do to procrastinate. So whatever it is you do to procrastinate, just be aware of what's going on in your head, and and just know that when that first sale comes in, that's what's going to start a positive feedback loop, and then you're going to be motivated to, and almost addicted to being like, oh, let me do what I did to get that first sale, and because I want more. So yeah, so if you're first starting out, hope this helps you stay motivated to just continue the process and recognize how your brain is conditioned, and how you've been conditioned your whole life basically to get paid immediately, when in online business that's not the reality. You're getting paid later, even if it's only 2 weeks later. So that's it for this one, guys. Hope it was a helpful video. I know it was kind of short, but I'll see you in the next one. Oh, and don't forget to check out the dropshipping playlist below.